We'll learn why auto-inviting customers to your help center is important and how to set it up in just a few steps. Auto-inviting customers to your help center ensures they have instant access to self-service resources, FAQs, and ticket tracking. This reduces support delays, empowers customers to find answers quickly, and improves overall satisfaction. In short, it's a simple step that creates a better experience for everyone. Let's see how to enable auto-invite in your help center. Go to Setup. Under Channels, click Help Center. On the left side, click Access Settings. Scroll down to Auto-Invite Permission. Choose the department you want to enable this for. And that's it. Your customers will now be automatically invited to the help center. With this simple configuration, you're making support faster and smarter for your customers. Try it today and see the difference. Got an idea for a process, product, or business improvement? Share it with us, and we'll map out the next step workflow for execution. Comment or DM us today. We will provide this in 1 hour.